Pool maintenance, we all know, is a pain in the butt. It doesn't have to be. Super excited because I want to tell you about one of the pool chemicals that I use that is my absolute favorite, that does a great job and is such an affordable option. So I have a tub of chlorine tablets that were sent to me to try out. They come packaged with this so that they're not like all over the box when they come. They come in several different sizes. I like to get the value size so I don't constantly have to order them. These come in a value size. This is the 20-pound tub here. This is Profeliz. This is the Trichloro tablets here. The best way that we like to use these is in a chlorine floater. You can also put them in your other pool equipment too. They come in these little tubes here. Each tube has a chlorine tab just like this. Do recommend you use a glove most of the time so you're not getting the chemicals on you. One tab, I have a 10,000 gallon pool. One tab will actually last me about a week when it is cooler weather. If it is warmer weather, I usually get about a little less than a week on that. But I also heat my pool too, so the heat also makes it dissolve a little faster. One tab a week. 20-pound tub here is gonna last me quite some time. If you're looking for some chlorine tabs, absolutely love this. It helps keep my pool crystal clear here. Highly recommend you grab some today.